When you file your tax, you file as an employee or as self-employed. You could be both at the same time, but these are the two ways you file your taxes, as an employee or self-employed.
I'm not asking why.
It's income tax time.
When you file as an employee, you report your income on a W-2 form. You could have multiple W-2 forms if you had more than one job during the year. These W-2 forms you get from your employers. When you file your tax as self-employed,
Well, I'm just curious. Does he pay tax on the money that he makes?
you are not an employee. So you might get Form 1099 NEC when you offer your services to other businesses. You might get Form 1099K if you accepted credit card payments or through third-party payment platforms like PayPal, Venmo. Also, you might get 1099K if you drive for Uber, Lyft, or do food deliveries.
Well, that's me, Chinese food delivery guy.
Okay, quick disclaimer. I am a CPA, certified public accountant, but I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for information purposes. This is not a legal advice. So, W-2 or 1099. This is the normal situation. However, there might be some situations where you will be getting additional 1099s. Not every taxpayer has to get one or more of these forms. It depends on a situation, and that I am going to explain in this video. These forms are 1099G, 1099C, 1099B, and W-2G. If you lost your job during the year and you collected unemployment from your state, that unemployment is taxable for federal tax, and some states also consider as your income. 1099G form is issued by the state in which you collected unemployment from. So if you did collect unemployment compensation, you will get this form in the mail, or you may have to download it from the state website. Form 1099C, cancellation of debt. This form is issued when you settle your credit card debt with the credit card company and where you pay less than what you owed. For example, you owed $10,000 and you settled it for $7,000. So the balance $3,000 is considered your income. Credit card company will issue you 1099C, so you can report that on your tax return. Cancellation of debt is not considered as your income if it is due to the bankruptcy. Form 1099B. This is a consolidated statement if you had a brokerage account with like Robinhood, Vanguard, Charles Schwab, and companies like that, where you had a stock portfolio where you bought and sold stocks, cryptocurrency transactions. So you will get this 1099B. Now, if there was no activity in your brokerage account, you might not get this form. However, just to make sure, you should log into your account on your phone or on the computer, and if you are supposed to get one of these forms, it will be there, so you can download and report on your tax return. If you had a capital gain, you might end up paying some tax, and if you had capital loss, it might help you reduce your taxes. Sometimes you might not have any stock transaction, but still it is a good idea to check it because there might be a dividend income for you to report. Form W-2G, lottery and gambling winnings.
But when I hit the jackpot, I'll buy myself an awesome car.
If you went to a casino and won some money, or you play lottery tickets, scratch tickets, and you won $600 or more, those winnings will be reported on Form W-2G. W-2G will be issued by the casino where you won the money or by the state lottery agency. So as you can see, these four forms that I mentioned, 1099C, 1099G, 1099B, and W-2G, not all these forms apply to everybody. But if you see that one or more of these forms apply to you, and you have not received them yet, you should contact related agency or the company so you can report this on your tax return. Well, at the end, if you were supposed to get one or more of these forms and you did not, and you file your taxes, it's okay. The only thing that you will have to do is file an amendment and this issue will be fixed. All right? So I hope this video provided you some value. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. It will help the growth of this channel. I thank you so much for watching.